The featured club tonight are the local area Pontiacs and the Pontiac Club here at Pavilions Rock and Roll Car Show. Today is April 12th, and I'm not using the my camera tonight. I'm just going to use the video camera because I have a boot on my foot. And I'll just pan out a little bit here because there's a whole bunch of people on my way now. So I'm going to give a try of taking videos tonight as opposed to my typical slideshow video. I'm standing in front of the show manager's tent. This is where the moderators and the show manager all stay, and we're selling commemorative Pavilions Rock and Roll Car Show shirts. And now that the music has stopped playing, I don't have to worry about a copyright infringement. Here today at Pavilions Rock and Roll Car Show, and a buddy's car is getting towed for an antifreeze leak. It is about 100 degrees today. Got to have a good cooling system to deal with this Phoenix heat. So while I'm at it, might as well check out a few more cars. Certainly don't see an AMC Pacer every day. Very nice street rod. And we have a Beetle with a V8. There's a newer Volkswagen microbus. License plate says, I guess, horsepower junkie. 1970 Chevelle. This is a buddy's 1972 Corvette. If you're into vanity plates, that means gold 72. This is a buddy's 1966 Impala. It's not a super sport and has the 400 and quarter horse 427 in it. Being that it's not a super sport, this car does not have buckets and a console, but a bench sheet.
That's right, round and round, babe. They're smart.
Another neat old Ford street rod.
And then everything underneath, all the suspension, everything on the front end, is all company made. So I got all my stuff for all the running gear.
Several people that I guess you would say moderate or direct this cruise. One of them's named Jim, I believe. This is his Chevy truck. Very, very nice truck. And he always has it in full display mode. I'll go ahead and walk around so you can see the inside. Another one of our moderators owns this Mercury Montclair, which is a sweetheart. And his name is Jerry. 66 Chevelle is a regular here at Pavilions, comes out every weekend. Sorry for the diversion. This Bricklin is also a regular here at Pavilions. As is this Chevy truck next to it. Austin Healy. Guy's leaving in his Corvette. Not a lot of people here today. And there he goes driving away. And if you'd like to see it, another Corvette. This one's got a late model 502 in it. So I got this one earlier driving by. Ended up parking here. So tonight is Pontiac night. All the Pontiacs get to park over here in the club row. I'm just going to walk down the line as far as I can. '70 Trans Am. That's a '69 Firebird. Neat Pontiac Ventura. And a Bonneville. There's a '67 Pontiac GTO. Windows are up, so I'm not going to be able to get the interior, but I'll walk over to this Ventura that's next to it, or I'm sorry, Bonneville that's next to it. I didn't. I'm going to start down the other side of the aisle. This one was a '65 GTO, I think. Oh, there you go. Always loved this orange color. Right now can't remember what it is or what it's called. Sunset orange was that color.
I sat down and go, well, if I'm allergic, I'm going to find out.
And we're going to end it with a Pontiac Fiero at the end of Club Row. This one's a GT. Was definitely a performance improvement over the 4-cylinders. Although not parked in Club Row, here's another regular that comes to Pavilions, this awesome Pontiac GTO.
That's the thing is that I think
This one's a '69.
down, especially in the summertime. Yeah, not the wintertime. The wintertime was like really good last year. And then I think as they were getting ready to kind of not get rid of it, but change hands again.
I apologize for kind of being shaky with the camera, but I am kind of slow. An old '66 Chrysler Imperial. Just as proof, You don't have to be super nice to come to Pavilions to show your car. Everything is welcome. And I've got a 62 Chevy 4-door. I have a couple Mini Coopers.
Well, I think they've been.
G-Body El Camino.
Paxton supercharger on it.
Got it? What's that car right there? 4? My stepdad had one of those.
Well, see.
Not a lot of room between these cars, so I'm gonna make the best of this situation.
Oh, okay. My dream is to have a Cougar. Oh.
There are 3 cars that are parked kind of close to each other. I'm just gonna go down the line again. 63 Corvette. 67 Camaro. And a 74 Duster. Early 80s Corvette. And a nice Chevy Nova convertible. Only available, if I remember right, in 62. But feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. There is a lot of blue on this Corvette. I gotta walk up a curb, so sorry for the shaking. And while we're at it, a blue Mustang. Another Corvette of that same color. It's all closed up, so I can't get a shot of the interior. And if you're wondering what started up, it's the brick one. Might as well get a video of the evening crowd coming in. I'm gonna walk partially down this north lot, look at some newer cars. Over in the north lot are usually the newer cars. More of those will show up later tonight as the older cars kind of transition out. There's some vendors here at the Pavilions Rock and Roll Car Show also selling various cool stuff. Bunch of banners and signs, and I'm not not going down there. We don't get lots of 4th generation Camaros that come out here. Here's a nice one. This is a 58 Ford Fairlane retractable. Retractable owners typically love to display them with the roof kind of half open, half closed. Neat street rod next to it.